All right, folks, let's dive straight into the world of C programming and unravel the mysteries of constants and literals. So what exactly are constants? In C programming, a constant is a value that cannot be altered during the execution of the program. Think of it as a fixed value, a number or a character that remains the same throughout. Let's start with defining constants. You can define constants in C using the keyword. Imagine you have a value that you never want to change, like pi. You define it like this. Now, every time you use in your code, it's forever 3.14. But there's another way to define constants using this method is more like a find and replace operation. You write at the beginning of your code. Everywhere appears, it's automatically replaced with 3.14 before the code even runs. Next up, let's talk about literals. Literals are the actual values you assign to constants or variables. For example, in 30 is a literal. They can be numbers, characters, or strings. There are several types of literals in C. Numeric literals include integers like 100, floating point numbers like 3.14, and even hexadecimal numbers like 0xa. Character literals are single characters enclosed in single quotes like A. And string literals are sequences of characters enclosed in double quotes like hello world. It's important to use the right type of literal for your variable. For instance, if you have a variable of type, you can only assign it a character literal, not a string literal. One more thing to note, constants and literals play a crucial role in making your code safe and maintainable. They prevent accidental changes to values that should remain fixed, and they make your code easier to read and understand. So, to sum up, constants are fixed values that don't change, defined using, or literals are the actual fixed values you use in your code like numbers, characters, or strings. Mastering these concepts will help you write cleaner, safer, and more efficient C programs. All right, that's a wrap for today's quick dive into constants and literals in C programming. Keep practicing, keep coding, and see you in the next video.